Hi, welcome to ISKIT Academy. Today we'll be studying the new subject called computer networks. In weightage, in GATE, the weightage would be around 8 to 9 marks. In 2013, in all three sets, they gave it for 8 marks. Let's go to the syllabus. Here is the syllabus. What are TCP/IP and OSI models and LAN technologies? What are error control and flow control techniques? Routing algorithms, congestion control, TCP, UDP and sockets, and IPv4 addressing, and the application protocols. We have only 6 protocols are included in the syllabus. And finally, the basic devices which works in various layers. Fine, guys. Let's start with introduction and proceed with the concepts. Introduction. We'll be discussing these concepts. What is data communication? Data communication is an exchange of data between two devices using some form of transmission medium. It can be either wired or wireless also. As we are discussing the basic computers networking, so let's stick to our discussion to wired medium. The following are the concepts to be covered. What are various components in communication, data representation formats, and how data flow occurs. Total we have 5 components. First one is the message to be transmitted and sender and receiver. Finally, the medium, and the most important thing is protocol. What is a protocol? Let us say here to transfer the knowledge, my protocol is I have to use only English as a mode of communication. That is one protocol. Here are the 5 components. One is message, second one is sender, third one is receiver, and fourth one is the transmission medium, and the most important are protocols, the rules which we need to follow in order to communicate with the devices. What are data representation? We can exchange text, numbers, images, audio, and video as well. How data flow happens? There are 3 types of data flows: simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. Whichever medium we are using, it can be either simplex, half duplex, or full duplex. What is the difference? In simplex, there will be only one flow. That is, at any point of time, the direction flows from one end to other end. Whereas in case of half duplex, it can go on both sides, but only one at a time. Only one at a time. Either it's from sender to destination, or it's from destination to source. Whereas when you go for full duplex, it can happen in both directions and at all times. Fine, yes. Let's proceed to the networks. What is a network? The following concepts need to be understood to know the concept called networks. What is the physical structure, and what are the various network models? What are the categories of networks? And finally, what is an internet? In physical structures, we have to focus on 2 concepts. First one, what is the type of connection and what is the topology? There are 2 types of connections, point to point and multi-point. Topologies can be mesh, star, bus, ring, and hybrid. Let's start with type of connection. There are 2 possible ways to connect devices. One is a point to connection, point to point. It is called a dedicated link. It is called a dedicated link. There will be a dedicated link between 2 devices, and buying this link is very expensive. So the other alternative is multi-point link. This is the only one which we are using on a daily basis. That is, there will be only one link in which multiple stations can be connected to the same link. Is called as multi-point link. The same capacity will be distributed among all devices. So in real world, we will be using only this. This will not be used in real world. Physical topology. What are the various topologies? First one is mesh topology. Here, if I have n stations, then total number of links required are n into n minus 1 by 2 links are required. form to connect all end stations into a mesh topology. Next one is star topology. Here there are 5 stations. There will be only 5 links which are directly connected to the hub. Now hub is acting as the intermediary. Next one is bus topology. There will be only one cable to which all devices will be connected. A cable acts as a backbone. Final one is ring topology. In this one, all stations are connected in the form of a ring in which there is a dedicated link between the devices. That is, each device will be connected with 2 devices on either side using a dedicated link, and the traffic flows only in one direction. So these are called physical topologies.